A warm greeting to everyone. I am DM Kalai Selvi, Assistant Professor, CAC Department, RMT Engineering College. Now we are going to see binary search tree in data structure. First, we have to know what is meant by tree. A tree is an hierarchical data structure where each node consists of some child nodes. So in under tree, you have multiple types like a binary tree, AVL tree, binary search tree, splay tree, red black tree. So the way what's the difference between a normal tree and the different types is the way of arranging the data. So tree will be holding the data in an hierarchical order. That means root will be the first node will be the root, and from there multiple branches will be there, and from the branching how the branching is done and how each node is connected, based upon that you will be having different types. Now we are going to see binary search tree. Binary search tree will come under the type of binary tree. So when you say a tree as a binary tree where in which each node can have a maximum of two nodes. In binary search tree, the data will be allocated based upon a condition. So let us see now. If you consider this one binary search tree of states, if you see the data, how we are going to store in a dictionary. If you have taken an alphabetical order in dictionary, based upon the alphabetical order, only data will be stored. For example, starting with the letter A. So if you have given words like arrive, abundant, and then ash. So if you could consider arrive, abundant, A, B. So that will be the first, and then ash, and then arrive in the order of an alphabet. So the data in the dictionary will be stored in binary order, with each node contains a key and the next pointer to containing item and a key. If you consider this Florida, under Florida you have two left child and right child. So the value, if you consider the first letter F, F is the root node. If you consider only the first letter of the word F. See the left child C. How this node is considered as a left child is C is less than F. That will be in the left child. If the key value is greater than the root node, then that will be in the right node. So if you consider the first letter O, yeah, O is greater than F, so that consider as that will come under right child. If you take the next letter, Arizona, first letter A, starting from the root node, A is less than F, A is less than C. So that's why attached to the left side of the Colorado. If you consider the next node, Arxanas, starting from F, A is less than F, go to C, C is A is less than C, go to again A. When you come here, if you consider it, the next A, both are same. You're going for the next letter in the word, as we see in dictionary, R, both are same. And next you're going for I and K, comparing I and K is the largest, so it is attached to the right side of the Arizona. Similarly, if you take this side, Oklahoma, mass, M is greater than F and M is less than O. So it is attached to the left side. So in this manner, the data will be added. That is based upon the key value, the node will be attached. So in binary search tree, the condition is if the key value is less than the root node, it is attached to the left child. If the key value is greater than the root node, it is attached to the right side. If each node is again a parent node, when you say a node as a parent, it is having children, then the node is considered as a parent. So if if that corresponding node is a parent, again we'll be checking whether the key value is less than the parent node, then it is attached to the left side. If the key value is greater than the parent node, then it is attached to the right side. So I will give the example. If you take an example, I've already explained it. So if you take an example, New Hampshire, it is attached to the here it is this country. If you take N is greater than F and N is less than O, go for the left side. N is greater than M, so it goes for the right side. In this way, the data will be added. Thank you.